Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making profiteroles. The first thing I'm going to do is put my saucepan onto a low heat. I'm now going to add my butter and caster sugar and wait for them to melt. I'm also going to add in 150 millilitres of water. Now that it has all melted, I'm going to add my flour in and beat it until it forms a dough and comes away from the edge. I'm now going to leave it to cool for 5 minutes. Now that my mixture has cooled, I'm going to add 2 eggs and mix it until my mixture goes glossy. I have rinsed 2 baking trays with cold water and left them so they are slightly damp. This will help my profiteroles rise in the oven. I'm now going to take spoonfuls of my mixture and place them on my baking tray. I have preheated my fan oven to 200 degrees. I'm now going to bake them for 18 to 20 minutes or until they look well risen and brown. While they are still hot, to stop them from deflating, I'm going to cut a slit in the bottom. I have put my saucepan on a low heat. I'm going to add 100 millilitres of water and wait for it to warm up. Now that my water is warm, I'm going to add caster sugar and wait for it to dissolve. Now that it's come to the boil, I'm going to pour it over to my cocoa. And mix it until it becomes smooth. Now I'm going to put my pan back on to a low heat and pour my chocolate mixture back in and leave to cook for 1 minute. I'm now going to turn the heat off and leave it to cool for 15 minutes. In my bowl, I'm now going to whip some cream. I'm going to add in a few drops of vanilla. Now taking my cooled profiteroles and filling them with cream. I'm going to take my profiteroles and dip the top of them into my chocolate. And place them on the plate. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.